everybody. Today we're going to be painting a little bit. Got some paint sectioned out and got my brushes, my water, and we're going to do this because I've got a new painting book, sketchbook? What would this be called? Whatever. I got a new book to paint things in, and I got a breaker in. Ready, guys? Okay. So what are you guys' favorite things to paint? I've noticed I love painting skies and landscapes. Especially like clouds. Clouds are really nice and fun. I don't feel like I'm very good at them yet, but I do enjoy the process of painting clouds. So here's where we're at right now. We're gonna keep going. This is where we're at right now. This is where we've gotten. We're gonna add the pink and purple now. Do you guys enjoy painting with acrylics, oils, watercolor, gouache? What's it called? Gouache? I don't know. What's your favorite medium to create in? To blend the colors, I go back in after I've laid the pink, and I go back in with that light blue just to blend them together and make that transition smooth. So it's a little smoother there with the pink, and we can go in with the purple now. Okay, we've added the purple, and now we have to blend the purple and the pink. This is our background, right? That's what we're starting with. We're gonna let it dry. Let it dry.
I am so clumsy.
Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. first step in really simple painting. Add mountain. And you create this outline, okay? I started at the highest point and I went down and made it look all jaggedy like a mountain. Okay, once you have a thick black layer on the top, we're gonna add white. So with black still on my paintbrush, I'm just gonna pick up some white and just start sweeping down, following the path of this initial mountain I created. So this is what we have so far, and you keep adding dimension and white and contrasting colors until it looks like a mountain. So I don't want to completely lose this purple on the bottom, so I'm going to blend it into the mountain and make it look like a purple magical meadow. We'll see, right? That's where we're at, right? At this point, we need to add a moon. Okay. Outline of the moon. The final step is adding some stars in the sky. Okay, I would do clouds, but I just don't feel like it right now. And keep in mind, people, this is not going to be perfect, and the plan was never for it to be perfect. The plan was to have fun and paint something. If you're striving for perfection, you came to the wrong place. Okay. I really like it. I think we finished. Yeah. I think it's cute. It's really simple. It's really simple and you could probably do it way better than me. So if you did, make sure to tag me in it so I can make fun of myself with you, right? If you guys liked seeing me paint something random, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and that way I'll know to do more of these. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.